What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the iPhone locked to owner lock you are getting when using your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In case you are able to bypass the lock by restarting your device, for example by asking the owner to unlock it, then make sure to open up your device settings in order to sign you out of your Apple ID. Tap on the Apple ID profile. From here, select to sign out of the currently signed in Apple ID. This will allow you to sign out of all devices or only this device using the iCloud login. Before logging in with your own Apple ID, you should proceed to erase all data and factory reset the device. In your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General. At the bottom of your General settings, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, you can proceed to transfer all current data, passwords, contacts, notes, and more to a newly designated device. Or tap on Erase all content and settings. This will allow the new owner of the device to import their own iCloud and device unlock data. When this is done, the iPhone locked to owner error should be resolved. In some cases, you will need an active network connection to import any new backup data. In this case, make sure that your iPhone is connected to your Wi-Fi. Before you buy an iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch from someone else other than Apple or an Apple authorized reseller, make sure that the device is erased and no longer linked with the previous owner's account. In case nothing helps you out, then you can make use of third-party software on your PC to remove the lock and reset the device. For more information on which free apps to use, make sure to follow the guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.